Alright, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to use repair kits inside of No Man's Sky. So when your stuff's broken in No Man's Sky, you probably think to yourself, how... Clearly I have a repair kit, like, do I click on it? What do I do with these things in order to use them? Because I have 3 repair kits, but I can't seem to use it. So the simple answer is, when you have something that's broken, like this matter beam, you can click on it, and where you'd normally click to use wiring looms to repair this, or you'd use a magnetic resonator, you might notice that down in the details in this window, it says apply a repair kit to fix. So that's really nice for things that are really expensive, like these wiring looms, which I don't have a lot of. And you can do that with pretty much anything that might end up being really expensive. And then with like 3 of these, you can make it really easy to replace all kinds of these things. So I only have to go now and get some antimatter housings, and I'm good to go. Then I'm all repaired. And that's how you use repair kits. They're really handy to have around, especially in this game when you go to another galaxy. You go to the center of the galaxy, and then you go to another one. That breaks all the stuff in your ship that's currently equipped. So it's good to have these on hand to just quickly repair everything really cheaply and not have to worry about it. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.